You know, the Woodford Brothers, the folks who are the basement specialists, as you are home and you're looking around, go down to your basement if you get a chance and just look at it. And I'm not a building inspector. You're not a building inspector. We're not the smartest people on earth, especially you. But, I mean, go down there and look around and just ask the question of, is this what I want? Or could it be better? Or are there maintenance issues I'm concerned with? Or is it supposed to be this way, like that? Or this moistness over here, I don't like it. There's a musty smell. Is this, what is here? Or maybe yours is like a spider web reserve like mine. And you say, I wish this was a finished room. I could use the space down here. While you're home on the avoiding the virus, inspect your basement. And imagine how it could be better with the help of the basement experts at Woodford Brothers. They'll finish it. They'll dry it. You got crack in the wall, they take care of that. The wall's bowing in. You got your saggy, baggy floors. Whatever even if it's issues like radon or whatever, they will take care of any basement problem you have. 1-844-402-3535. 844-402-3535. Very simple website to remember, basementbrothersradio.com. Why? Because they are basement, first, last, and always. Basementbrothersradio.com for Woodford Brothers.